That's right! Today I'll be helping Bobbert make the tabby of his dreams. And at the same time, I'll guide you on how to make a great tabby morph in 3 different colors: brown, gray, and orange. I hope you enjoy this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it. Let's get into it! Tabbies look simple, but that's exactly why they're hard to get right. If your tabby feels flat, weird, or just off, it's usually because of color and marking choice. I always start with a dull brown, not a super saturated brown, something muted and a bit boring on purpose. This is important because if your base is already too bright, the tabby will look fake or noisy once you add detail. From there, I slowly push the color into a more saturated brown. Think warm browns, slightly reddish or golden, mixed back into the dull brown so it still feels natural. This part matters a lot, the face. On the nose bridge, I mix different brown tones together. Slightly warmer, slightly deeper, so it doesn't look like one flat stripe painted on. For the point mask, I go lighter and richer, but I still keep it blended into the head. Hard edges make the face look stiff, so soft fades are essential. On the ear tips, I either push the saturation just a bit more or color something lighter than stripes. It adds a good contrast. Now, with the tips learned, let's continue making this tabby. If your tabby looks muddy, gives you're using too many dull tones. If it looks orange, gives your saturation is too high. If it looks flat, gives add more variation, especially on the face and main torso.
What the dog doing?
For the body, I work in fades. I start with dull brown tones fading from the shoulders down to the thighs. The shoulders and thighs stay dulled and muted, and as I move to the center, the color softens slightly. Then I start fading with saturation from the shoulders down through the legs and into the paws. For the main markings, I always follow one rule if the base is light. The stripes go slightly darker, not close enough to blend into the base, but not so dark that they overpower the cat. That middle ground is what keeps the tabby look clean and made by an expert. Once the fades are in, I add back stripes for layering, and sometimes I add a brindle between stripes. Just enough to break up big flat areas and add depth. We almost finished with our morph. So let's take a look outside the editor. Let's continue with the next tabby, the silver tabby. We'll apply almost the same tips as the brown tabby, only now we'll be using cool colors.
What the dog doing?
For the nose bridge, use a color other than gray. Yes, we'll be pushing it towards a more saturated color, but it's a more yellowish gray. This also adds realism.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
We almost finished with our morph. So let's take a look outside the editor. What do you think? Did I do well? Let me know in the comments. Leave A if you've made it this far in the video. Let's continue with the next cat, the orange tabby. We almost finished with our morph, so let's take a look outside the editor. Here's our result. It's a cute orange tabby. I bet it looks better with long hair.
What the dog doing?
What name would you give it? A very nice one is Suntooth. And that's basically how I build a good tabby. If your tabbies ever feel off, don't panic. Just check your base, your saturation, and your stripe contrast. If this helped, feel free to like or comment what breed, style you want me to break down next. Thank you for watching.